Welcome once again. Savior Joshua, you said I should do melodic minor scale because you do not understand melodic minor. When we say melodic minor, there are three types of minor scale. We have natural minor, melodic minor, and harmonic minor. But you've specified that I should do the melodic minor. So I don't want to mix up the scales. So after this lesson, I will do the harmonic minor and the natural minor. And we have the Dorian scale too. So let's tackle the question before, that's the melodic minor. So the reason why I'm using C for almost all the lessons is that when you do C, you can transpose it yourself to all the other keys. If it has become a difficult thing for you to do, I will do the how to transpose the key from C or different key to the other in the next lesson. So let's do the melodic minor scale on key C. Odumgard, you too, you are welcome. Thank you for your comments and other stuffs, because I need more comments, advice, anything you want us to do is welcome on this channel. This is Odisha Kev channel. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to make the red subscribe button here. Turn it black or highlighted. That is all. Leave comments if you want me to do a lesson on any song, any topic as we are doing. So let's go straight to the board and do the analysis of melodic minor scale key C. So we have C here. Let's start from the neck. You have C note on the 5th string, 3rd fret. And we have the same C here. 2nd string, 1st position or the 1st fret. So melodic minor scale is spelled do, re. That is the 4th string, open. More. That is do, re, more. Then we go to fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. In this position. So let's take it slowly. Do, more, that is the flatted 3rd or sharp 2nd. Do, re, more, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, more, fa, so. In the C shape here. So this is the C shape of playing. We have C. So the chord will be C minor chord. So we play, because we play minor chord, minor scale over the minor chord. And as I almost say, if you want to create tension, you can play it major, but you spell the man over the major chord, or minor, we play the C minor chord. So that is the melodic minor. That's do. Write it down. Take your pen and paper. Joshua, Savior, you said you should do this. This is do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do. So the difference between the major and the melodic minor scale, it is the more instead of me. So when we play me, because you see we play do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. So only more and me makes this major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do makes it a major scale. And do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, making it melodic minor scale. So let's move to the A shape here. because we've done the C shape here. That is C minor or C major. So let's move to this C here in the A. This is A shape of playing C. So this is A major. A here is the C note. So that's the G. 4th string, C, 5th position. 3rd string, 5th position. The same 5th position on the 2nd string, making the chord is C major. So if you flatten the 2nd string to the 4th position, it has become C minor. C on the 5th string, 3rd position. 4th string, 5th position. 3rd string, 5th position. And this one will come in onto the 2nd string, 4th position. Then this one definitely on the 1st string, 3rd position, making the chord C minor or C major. So we have the scale like this: do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do. That is the melodic minor scale in the A shape of playing the guitar here. So we have it. In the A shape here. So if you want to play the whole position, we have to do this: do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so. So that is the position here. So we have the root here: do, re, mo, fa, so, la. In the A shape, we have this. And this is the minor. Or for tension. So let's move to the G shape of playing C, but melodic minor. So this is C major. Here, 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 here. So that 5th position, we have 2nd, 3rd, 4th string, or in the 5th position. Then we have this 5th string, 7th position. Then C string, 8th position. That is the C major chord or C minor. That is here the same root on the C string, 8th position, 5th string, 6th position. That is the flatted 3rd, because you can see we flatten the mi here, making it more. So do, mo, so, do, making the chord C minor. This is C minor chord. So we have the so first 2 here: do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. In this shape here. So or C major. This one we create tension. So these are the notes. Do, ti, la, so, fa. Instead of going to mi, we go to mo. Re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. That is the melodic minor in the G shape of playing the C. So let's go to the E shape of playing C. So we have it as do, re, because this is the do, or let's take it from the C string here. We have do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. That is the C minor here. So we play if you want the melody. So when we talk about mo, we mean the minor third. That is the mo, do, C minor, C minor. In the E shape here. That is what we have in the E shape. So let's go to the last one. That is the D shape. Then we've done with the whole scales across the board. That is the melodic minor scale across the whole board. So let's go to the last one. That is in the D shape of playing C. Because we've done the C and its surface, or C minor here and S melodic. Then we come to C major here and C minor and S melodic minor. Then we move to the G, and we've done S. Then we move to the E shape, C major, and E shape, C minor. Then we've done the same thing here. Then we are left with the only D shape here. This is D, C major in the D shape, or the E, D, C minor here. We have the C. This is the minor distance. So we have do, re, mo, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mo. Again, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. Again. Again, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do, or mo, re, because we are in the D shape here, or D shape minor, that is here. Again. That is the D. We have the C minor chord. This is the C minor chord, or that's the C minor chord here, or C major. This is C minor, Fourth string, 10th position. Third string, 12th position. Second string, 13th position. Then first string, 11th position, making the chord this. So we have its position. So first. Then we resolve to do here. So it's better to rehearse the scale forms. If you know the scale forms on the board across the whole cage system. So if we are moving from C, let's say we are moving to D, or we are moving to E. Let's take E, for example. We have E here, we have E here. It will be the same thing. So this is, if you take this E here, it will be do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. So we use the same sequence. So this one, it has been in the E shape because we play the E shape here. So this is the E chord, E major chord, E minor chord. So we play. If you want to come here, it will be. If you want to, this has been in the C shape. If you want to go to A shape, you use the same solfege. Do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mo, re, do. When we go to this, it will be the same. So guitar transposing the key from one key to other, it's not anything difficult. So the best thing to know is to understand the chords. So Joshua, this is the lesson requested for. Thank you all. Merry Christmas to you all. This is we are in the Christmas season, so a shout out to you of Fidelis Bonya, Imbami, Sambaini, Augustus, my father, Ebenezer Bonnie, Nila in Washington, to you all, Odin God, all of you have been wonderful people on this channel to me. Thank you for making me your #1 supervisor of guitar lessons. You are all welcome. Welcome once again. Thanks for watching, and share for others. Invite others on this channel, making the channel big, because somebody's question will benefit the other. Let's all join hands in the learning. Thank you. We shall meet soon for other lessons.